Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about switch. Switch is used to, as the name suggests, to switch between cases due to the value of variable. So let's create a variable, let's name it x, and let's assign value to that variable 50, and now let's create a conditional statement switch, which looks like that. Switch to parentheses, and now inside parentheses we can place variable which value will be switched between cases that we will soon create. So let's type here x, and now let's open body of switch by using curly brackets, opening and closing one. And now we can create cases that may happen. For example, case 0. So, for example, this is a place for the instructions that will be executed when switched value is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's make another case, for example case 25. This is the place when it's 25. Now case 50, and now I will type default here, not case this time, and this is a place for the instructions that will be executed when value of switched variable is not equal to any case. So that instructions here will be executed in our situation when variable x is not equal to 0, 25 or 50. Okay, and now let's compile it. Our x is 50 now, so what will be executed? That thing, right? For sure. And as you can see, instructions after cases 0 and 25, so that guy and that guy, wasn't executed, but case 50 was executed, so it's good. But what's wrong here? That's weird. Instructions after default also got executed, so that guy here got executed. Why? Because switch works like that. Oh, here I have variable x. Let's switch it between cases. Is variable x equal to 0? No. So let's skip that guy here and let's check next case. Is variable equal to 25? No, it's not. So let's skip that guy and let's go to the next case. And is variable equal to 50? Yes, it is. So let's execute every instruction to the closing curly bracket. So it will execute that guy, and it will execute everything below until it meets with the curly bracket. But it will also stop the execution if our compiler meet something what is called break instruction. What is break instruction? It looks like that. Now, as you can see, only that instruction here got executed as we wanted. What will happen when I assign to the x variable, for example, 0. As you can see, that guy, and that guy got executed. And that thing sometimes is useful. Sometimes you want something like that because, for example, that instructions are good for all of that values. But in our situation it's not good, and in most of the situation it's not good. And then we should add something like break here every time. And now, as you can see, everything works fine. When we type something what is not in that case, for example 4, only instruction after default got executed, right? So everything works fine. Now I'd like to also add that we can use only integer and character variable types here to the switch, for the switch. Why? And well, let's think about it. If we could use, for example, the double type. I told you the double has got something like precision. So, for example, I have two variables, double like that and that one. And now I'll do something like that, and here I'll do something like that. And probably that variable is still equal to that variable, but in reality it's not true. But well, that's how it works. There is precision, and we are losing precision after some digits. That's why it would be hard to compare double digits, right? We can use here characters, but why? Well, look, we have got something like ASCII table. In reality, every character is not a character. It is number assigned to character. As you can see, for example, here A is assigned to 97, B is assigned to 98, D is assigned to 100. So when I do something like character X and I will assign value 100 here, and now I'll do something like, for example, that thing, that instruction should be executed. Let's see. And at the end we have 0 here, right? So that instruction will be executed. Let's check it out. As you can see, that instruction got executed well, because D is really 100. Okay, but when I do, for example, here A, so 97, as you can see, on the default option got executed. Well, instructions after the default got executed, right? Okay, and what about when I do something like that? That guy should be executed, right? And we can't use string here. Strings cannot be used in switch statement because it is a bit connected with pointers. I don't want to go into details right now, but believe me, we can use strings. So we can use only integer and character, because characters are really integers that are assigned to characters, and that's how it works. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.